This is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection, and this is a 1-minute home inspection. Hey guys, I just want to show you what we're looking at here. When we look at roofs and houses in general, one of the biggest things we're looking for is homeowner do-it-yourself kind of work. And here we've got a roof that is exactly that, not professional, and I'm going to show you why. So first thing here, this is actually a detached garage here. I'm going to do my best to show you what we're looking at first. First things first, you can see here we've got a second layer of roofing. This is actually a wood shingle roof underneath an old, this is an architectural roof. So first things first, you never want to combine two different roofs here. Really the right way to do it is to pull that wood roof off and put the new roof on. Second thing I'm going to show you about some of the penetrations. And before I do that, one of the things that it does is actually limits the life of the roof. So as you can see here, especially this side, this is the south facing side, the shininess you're seeing here is actually the fiberglass fibers showing through in this roof. That's just showing you that there's been significant wear, and having two layers of roof does limit the life of the new roof. So the penetrations, rather than pulling boots off and sealing them up properly, then rebooting, they've actually just installed the shingles right over top. So basically they put this mastic or this glue down to seal it, but what that does is allows water to get in here. If they didn't even have that, that water would get in underneath. Here's the chimney, so water gets in here. There you go, sorry. Water gets in here underneath, and it's already underneath the shingle altogether. Here's the side of it there. And then just back to some of these other boots. We got one over here. This one's pretty obvious on this one. The rubber boot is completely underneath, just allowing for the water to actually just leak in underneath the shingle and causing for a potential leak there. So definitely some homeowner work here that we're gonna have to call out. As really ultimately this is an old roof, probably time to replace this guy. So we'll let these guys know for sure and keep going. Brandon, the home inspector, we'll see you on the next one.